I'm sorry. God bless.
Just call me dude.
Lance is a good-looking one. Go ahead, Lance.
Yeah, I was looking at the rod end and trying to decide, how can we, mate one rod end to the other, and I thought, well, let's just do it just like a regular car where you've got two rubber bushings captured by washers, and then the bolt would make it adjustable so you could get the sway bar parallel at ride height, and that's what I came up with.
Here it is right here. I see what you're saying. So it's adjustable. I see the rod end sandwiched with those bushings.
Yeah, it's just some small little rubber O-rings that take the place
Not
of
bushings.
the steel ball that is supposed to be in the rod end.
I see. I like this. That's nice. So it's fully adjustable, huh? So you got the sway bar in the rear is connected. In the front, how's that gonna work?
We'll see. It'll work good.
It'll work good. Okay.